Factory reset Amazon Fire TV without a remote. Most common reasons why we would need to factory reset Amazon Fire Stick: sound issues, network issues, bugs and glitches, bad updates, loading problems. Number 1. From settings on TV. Step 1. Power on your TV and connect your Fire TV stick to it. Step 2. Once the Fire TV stick is up and running, use the navigation buttons on your remote to navigate to settings at the top. Select it. Step 3. Again using the navigation buttons, scroll to the right and select My Fire TV. Step 4. Scroll down and select Reset to Factory Defaults. Step 5. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm your decision of resetting the stick. Select Reset. The system will then start the reset process, and that will take around 5 to 8 minutes. You will then have to set up the stick. Number 2. Using remote buttons. To reset it, press and hold the right and back buttons of your remote at the same time for at least 10 seconds or more. This will initiate the reset process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Number 3. Use another remote. If your friend or family member has the same Fire TV stick as yours, you can borrow their remote and pair it with your Fire TV stick. Once paired, use it to navigate and reset your Fire TV stick as you did in the first method. Number 4. Using the Fire TV app. First, go to your app store on Android or iOS and search for Fire TV Remote and open the first app. After this, click on the Install or Get, and then this app will start downloading, and once completes, tap on Open to launch it. When launching it for the first time, you will see Fire TV announcements. Just ignore it by tapping on No, Thanks. Now connect to the same Wi-Fi you are using on TV, and then you will notice Fire TV name appears on the screen. Just tap on it. Once you tap on the name, a code will appear on TV. Just type the code on your mobile to pair remote. The mobile is now paired, and now you can tap and select the direction to use navigation key. Now we need to reset Fire Stick. Click on the setting icon above. Now here you can see options. You can send your Fire TV into sleep mode as well, but we need to click on Fire TV settings. (5) Use your TV remote. With HDMI SEC, Consumer Electronics Control, technology, you can use your TV's remote to control your Fire TV stick. For that, you need to enable the SEC setting in your TV. The setting name and location may vary from TV to TV.